Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks. We're going to go to Weta Workshops Unleashed and then try and find some geocaches to do with Lord of the Rings. So come with us, let's see what this exhibition's all about.
Weta Workshop is a special effects and prop company here in New Zealand, producing effects for television and film. They have created armour, weapons, sets and special effects for blockbuster films such as Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit, Avatar, The Last Samurai, the list goes on and on. We have arrived a little early for our tour, so let's look around their shop, the Weta Cave. They have wonderful collectibles for sale here. Shh, he's asleep. Whoops, stand still. Phew, he's going back to sleep.
Let's line up ready for the tour. Oh no, it looks like the door's locked. We're in luck. The guide is going to sneak us in through the storeroom door during the creator's lunch break. Keep an eye out for strange creatures. Do I look scary?
Jeff thinks he's quite the comedian, but he's actually head of security and is in charge of health and safety. Jeff, what on earth did you do to your thumb?
Brained it. Trying to hitchhike out of here.
Jeff, I shouldn't have asked. Anyway, it's terrific to have you all with us.
So many interactive displays to play with. You can even operate on an alien creature. For the Lord of the Rings film trilogy, Weta made this realistic-looking PVC chainmail. It's light for the actors to wear, but still looks like the real thing. An hour and a half has gone all too quickly. Time to head out across Auckland to another special place where we can find geocaches with a Hobbit, Lord of the Rings theme. There are 3 here in Cornwall Park. We're in a more quiet area of the park, far, far away from the hunting grounds of any elves, dwarves or goblins.
This cache has got 94 favourites. That's a good number. And on the description it says the cache is the home to a peaceful halfling who enjoys a simple life, doing small everyday tasks, including watering his cabbages and carrots and collecting honey from his beehives.
Don't bother knocking. Visitors are always welcome, especially if you like eating, drinking ales, parties and exchanging gifts. Let's head on to the next geocache. 400 metres to go. This one requires a climb up into a rocky outcrop of lava on the side of the mountain. Here lies the last intact entrance to the complex underground system the dwarves built under Mount Maungakiki.
This has got 64 favourites, and on the cache description it says one of the largest dwarven cities was once under your very feet, with hundreds of tunnels, caverns, dungeons and halls.
The mountain contained precious metals and gems like gold, sapphires, unobtainium, ponamu and mithril. We are in search of the elven hunter's cabin that he used during his quest to slay the killer rabbit of Carbanog. The cave of Carbanog. Let's not stay here too long. That rabbit might be close by. Now, where's that cabin?
We're at the hunter's cabin now, and it's got 44 favourites. They're black sheep wandering around. Isn't he lovely? Oh. Good boy. Good boy. Like that, yeah? However, on the cache page, it says that a heroic elven hunter used to live here.
After being wounded by the beast, he took shelter here until his strength was restored. Be creative and make cool stuff like geovlogs and creative caches.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to go geocaching.